Thank you so much. You can get back to filming. So anyway, how it works is when you have things like this is the water bottle I've been using out here that are green in color, and you have that chroma key turned on, it removes that. Here is a can of some Chilean Pringles called Crispos. You'll notice here the red and the green color, so no green screen. But what I'm most excited about is I am going to utilize my drone.
So he's gonna use his drone here, and he's gonna fly it away behind him.
Hopefully this goes well here.
To show there's no green screen,
because there was a conspiracy theory that there was a green screen. It was all backwards. It wouldn't have worked at all.
But this
in
is going to be
fact,
fun for me.
the way that it worked out was
getting everything booted up right now. I'm actually going to remove my gloves.
Green screen. So
that I have
he's going to fly this drone back away, and I'm
going to
move off into the distance here to show
how it works.
So here's the drone,
or whatever.
Upside down.
You would have to go through the
right
green screen.
Of course, I'm pretty far away from him already.
This is my DJI drone that I brought
this
to
is, you know, the conspiracy theories they come up with to deny reality is...
Go ahead and launch this here real quick for you guys.
Godwin's Law, right? Look it up if you're unfamiliar with it. All right, here it goes. He's flying his drone. It's going to go through, backwards through wherever a green screen would have to be.
Okay, hopefully you can hear me with the drone, but I'm also going to record
he's going to record this on the drone
and publish it later.
And I'm going to go backward. So obviously, if there was a green screen, this drone would not be able to fly backward toward MC Toon, who's also live streaming. And who's also filming the drone. Alright, now I'm going to come right back to us. Alright.
Look at that. Mount Rossman in the background as it flies by. Amazing. So cool.
And then back again. So here we go. We now... Come on.
There it is. He landed it. Awesome.
And right back. So, here's what I'd like to say.
There we go. All right.
Is that
back to
Flat Earthers, I do want to give you
some stuff
credit
here.
for
this is Jaren's
the amount of effort
camera
that you put into
here.
what you believe.
It's been